Hi everyone, welcome to the class. In this video, we are going to discuss very important question on the topic a pair of linear equation in two variables. So students, get ready with your pen and paper. Now let us go ahead with first important question. Find the value of k for which the given pair of linear equation has no common solution. We are given a pair of linear equation 4x plus ky equal to 5, 8x plus 12y is equal to 10. Students, before we come to the solver, before we find the solution of this question, we should discuss some basic terms, basic things related to this topic. We know a general form of a pair of linear equations in two variables. We should know the general form of a pair of linear equation in two variables. What is the general form? We have the a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. This is a general form of a pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay. Also, we learned in this chapter different methods of solving a pair of linear equation two variables. Solving for x and y. There are different methods finding the solution. One is graphical method, another one is substitution method, third one is elimination method. The elimination. These are the three cases we have already discussed. Now, when we come to the geometrical representation of a pair of linear equation two variables, there are three cases to be remembered. There are three cases. When you draw represent the graphically, when we represent this pair of linear equation graphically, there are three cases. What is the first case? First case is lines graph will represent two intersecting lines. We know that the pair of linear equation two variables represent two lines, straight lines. So first case is they will give intersecting lines. Second case the lines are parallel lines. Graph will represent two parallel lines. What is third case? Graph will represent two coinciding lines. So we should know the method to determine before draw the graph. We should know the method to check how the graph will be. The graph intersecting, parallel or coinciding. Okay, if the graph intersect means what is the condition? If the graph represents two intersecting lines, we know that a1 by a2 coefficients of x. Okay, a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2 means we can say that the graph will represent two intersecting lines. The graph will represent two intersecting lines. Such a pair of linear equation is called a consistent pair of. That is called a consistent pair of linear equations. We know that. So second case, sometimes graph will represent two parallel lines. Parallel lines. What is the method? A1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. Okay, that cases we can say that graph will represent two parallel lines. This is called inconsistent pair. Inconsistent pair of. This is called inconsistent pair of linear equation two variable. But in the last case, coinciding means we have the method to check verify a1 by a2, b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. That is third case. We can say that graph will represent coinciding lines. Such a case we have to say that they are pair of equations dependent and a consistent pair of linear equation. These are the important things related to the topic, basic things. Okay, we should remember this. So now let us move back with our question. 4x plus ky is equal to 5, 8x plus 12y is equal to 10. According to the question, we know that this pair of linear equation has no common solution. No common solution means we know that the graph represents two parallel lines. So we use this formula. We use this method. Okay, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2 since the lines are parallel. They have no common solution. So what we'll do? We check the coefficients. 4 by 8 is equal to k by 12 not equal to 5 by 10. a1 by a2, b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. From this we are going to find the value of k. We are asked to find the value of k. So at that time we take two pair k by 12 or now these two will be at that time we can take 2. So we take the cross multiplication. Before that we have to check it. cross multiplying 2k is equal to 12. So here we are getting k value is equal to 6. Here also we can cut 2k, sorry, this is not equal, okay, not equal to k by 12 not equal to 2k not equal to 12, k not equal to 6. I think this is not possible. K in first case you are getting k equal to 6, the second case you are getting k not equal to 6. So what we understand from this value k value, what we understand, k equal to 6, k not equal to 6, what happened? We understand that there is no value of k for which, there is no value of k for which, no value of, you should write like that, there is no value of k for which the given pair of linear equation has a no common solution. Is it clear for you? Okay, now we are going to discuss the second question of this topic. Find the value of p for which the given pair of linear equation has infinitely many solutions. Okay, can you find any value of p for which the given pair of linear equation has infinitely many solutions? What is the method to check by infinitely many solutions? We will be checking by using the formula a1 formula, like this is the condition to check. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c. For any value of p, will this pair of equation will give you infinitely many solutions. Let us see. a1 for a2 p, b1 3, we have b2 9, c1 minus 4, c2 12. So when we check first two case, 4 by p is equal to 3 by 9. What will be 3 can be cut. 4 by, we are getting 4 by p is equal to 1 by 3. Now we check second. This case 3 by 9 is equal to negative 4 by 12. Okay, so we are getting 1 by 3 is equal to, we are getting 1 by 3 is equal, 1 by 3 cannot be equal to negative 1 by 3. 1 by 3 cannot be equal to negative 1 by 3. So this is not possible. Which is not possible. So there is no value. What will you write? There is no value of p. There is no value of p for which the given pair of linear equation has infinitely many solutions. Is it clear? Okay, now we will discuss third question. Find the value of k so that the pair of equations x plus 2y equal to 5 and 3x plus ky plus 15 equal to 0 has a unique solution. So, okay, we know the condition to check, method to check how the given pair of equation will give us unique solution. Unique solution, what is the rule? a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. Here are our a1 1, a2 3 not equal to b1 2, b2 k. So we are getting k not equal to 6. So what will you answer? We have to answer that this pair of equation, these two has a unique solution except k equal to 6. We except k equal to 6, every value can be put for k to make this pair of equation unique solution. So what is our answer? The k is equal to not 6. All the other values except k, all the real number can be substituted for k to make this pair of equation a unique solution. Clear? Okay, now let us discuss fourth question. Two vessels A and B contain mixtures of boric acid and water. A mixture of 3 parts from A and 2 parts from B is found to contain 29% of boric acid, and a mixture of 1 part from A and 9 parts from B is found to contain 34% boric acid. Find the percentage of boric acid in A and B. So we have two vessels, vessel A, vessel B. Okay, we have to take a mixture of 3 parts from A. This vessel contains mixture of boric acid and water. Okay, let us consider. Let us take a mixture of 3 parts from A and 2 parts from B. Total we have 5 parts. So we are taking 3 parts from A, 2 parts of B. Altogether we know that it is 5%. When you take like that, it is found to contain 29% of, altogether we are getting 29% of together. When we take together mixture, we take 29% of boric acid. And when you take 1 part from A and 9 parts from B, that is total 10 parts. When we take the mixture like that, we are getting 34% of boric acid. Find the percentage of boric acid in A and B. So students, we should understand the given situation, how to solve by using equation, linear equation. How to solve by using linear equation, two variables. Here we know that there are two cases unknown here, x and y. So in the equation we should make it assume x and y. So we are asked to find the percentage of boric acid in A and B. Let us take percentage of boric acid in A, let us consider x percentage, and percentage of boric acid in B, let us assume y percentage. So we are asked to find out what percentage of boric acid in A and B. So easily we can identify what is to be taken x and y. So we will make two linear equations. So in the a mixture 3 parts from A, x percentage of 3, okay, x percentage into 3 plus y percentage from B. Y percent means in the A 2 parts from B. So y by 100 from, okay, y percentage of 2 parts. So altogether we know that 5. From this we are getting altogether 29 percentage of 29 by 100 into 5. It will come 5. Similar way in second situation, percentage of boric acid, how it is taken, 1 part from A, 9 part from B. Again x by 100 into 9 plus into 1 y by 100 into in the vessel A we are taking x percentage. Vessel A means 1 part only. Vessel B percentage, y percentage. In vessel B we have 9 parts. So we multiply by 9 is altogether 10 parts. Altogether we have 34% boric acid. In both the vessel together we have 34% of boric acid. This equation can be simplified. I think 100 can be cancelled. Each term contain 100. Everywhere 100 is there. So this equation can be simplified. How will you simplify? 3x plus 2y is equal, 100 is cancelled from everywhere, common. Since it is common, similar way second equation also. 3x plus 2y is equal to 29 into 5, how much? 145. Implies second equation x plus 9y is equal to 340. We have reduced the equation like this. Now we have to solve for x and y. So we can apply elimination method. Since the second equation x will coefficient of x we can make it equal by multiply by 3. This is name 1, this is 2 equation. So second equation I will multiply by 3. So we are getting 3x plus 27 by 1020. 3 into x, 3 9 is 27, 3 into 340. Okay, so these two equation can be, equation 1 and these two equation can be used to solve for x and y. So we have, since same sign, we have to change the sign. Minus 3, minus 27, minus, so 3x cancel. 2 minus 27, how much? Negative 25 by 1020 minus 145 while subtracting 875. Then okay, we are getting negative 875. So we are getting the y value. Here we are getting y value negative 875 by negative 25. Negative positive. So 875 by 25. We have 3 times. Okay, we have 35. Okay, 35 percentage. We understand that 35% boric acid in vessel B. Now we have substitute the value of y in equation 1 to calculate the value of x. We have first equation 3x plus 2y is equal to 145. Putting y value 35, 2 into 35 is equal to 145. 3x plus 70, 145. 3x 145 minus 70. What is 145 minus 70? we are getting 75. So what is x value? 75 by 3, we are getting 25. So we understand that 25% boric acid in vessel A, 35% boric acid in vessel B. Here is our solution. Is it clear? Okay, here is our fifth question. Gopal has twice as many sisters as he has brothers. If Radha, Gopal's sister, has the same number of brothers as he has sisters, then find the number of brothers of Radha. See, look at the question. According to the question, we know the number of sisters Gopal has twice of number of brothers. So let us substitute. We use this to represent this situation by using a pair of linear equation, two variables. So what will be taken x and y? Let us see. Let us take number of brothers. Anything can be used x. Okay, number of brothers Gopal has. Number of brothers Gopal has x. According to the question, number of sisters Gopal has. From the question we understand that more sisters he has. More sisters means double of number of brothers. So let us put y. We have to assume by taking x and y. Now from this we can make the equation. So what we know that number of brothers we know that he has more sisters. So y is a greater value. Y number of sisters more. Y is 2 times x. According to the situation, number of sisters is equal to 2 times number of brothers. Okay, is it clear? Gopal has twice as many sisters. Twice as many sisters as he has brothers. Twice as many sisters as he has brothers. So we multiply x by 2. Let us put this is equation 1. Now let us look at Radha's case. If Radha, Gopal's sister, has same number of brothers as he has sister. But when we take Radha's case, we understand that Radha has number of brothers and number of sisters equal. Okay, so let us see how number of sisters Radha has. Number of sisters Radha has. Already Gopal has number of sisters y. I think herself we have to put when we look at Radha's sisters, when we count Radha's sisters, we cannot put y. When Gopal count the number of sisters, Radha also included there. Now Radha cannot be herself is not her sister. So Radha cannot be counted. When we count Radha's sisters, we have to put y minus 1. She herself is not her sister. Understand? So number of brothers Radha has. Number of brothers Radha has is equal to Gopal has how many brothers? X brothers. But Gopal will not count himself. When Gopal count his brothers, number of brothers, he cannot count himself. So when Radha count the number of brothers, Gopal also can be taken. So one should be added by x. When Radha counted, Gopal also will be counted. When Gopal counted, he himself cannot be counted. So according to the question, we know that Gopal has number of sister and brother same. So x plus 1 is equal to y minus 1. So what we'll do? We put we have already given now x minus y is equal to minus 1 is equal to 2. So now we have to solve for x and y. Already we have y equal to 2x. We substitute by substitution method easily we can solve. We can substitute y by 2x is equal to minus 2. So y minus 2x what? Minus x. Y minus 2x. Sorry, x minus 2x minus x equal to minus 2. Both sides negative come. So it become positive. So x is equal to 2. Now we use this equation 1 to count the number of sisters Gopal has. Y equal to 2x. 2 into 2 what? 4. So we understand that find the number of brothers Radha has. Number of brothers Radha has. Number of brothers Radha has means we are getting 3. number of brothers Radha has, number of brothers Radha has x plus 1. So x value 2, she has 3 brothers. Number of sisters Radha has, number of sisters Radha has means 4 minus 1. What is 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So according to the question, we know that she has same number of brothers and sisters. So we got the answer. Number of brothers Radha has 3. Number of sisters also Radha has 3. So we got the solution. Clear? Okay, here is the 6th question. Find the different positive fractions whose denominators are 3 and 5 and whose sum is 2 1 by 15. According to this situation, we are making two linear equations. We have to make a linear equation in two variables. So we understand that we have to find the different positive fractions. We have to find two positive fractions whose denominators are 3 and 5. Both the fractions denominators are given 3 and 5, and sum of these two fractions also given. So what will be taken x and y? Easily we can understand that numerators, since numerators are not there, let us put numerator of one fraction x, numerator of one fraction, let us consider x, numerator of one fraction, numerator of other fraction, numerator of other fraction can be taken y. So the fractions are, we have x by 3 and these are the two fractions. Okay, so according to the question, whose sum, we add these two fractions, whose sum is given 2 1 by 15. So how will you simplify? Take the cross note. Let us take like that. X by 3 plus y by 5 is equal to, make it improper, 31 by 15. So since the LCM is 15, we simplify. Make it a general form of linear equation. Two variables, multiply each term by 15. So the simplified form, we have the simplified form x 5x 3 5 times 5x plus 3y is equal to 31. Now we are going to find out what is x and y. So we write this equation x in terms of y. So the equation we got, this one, this will be written x in terms of y. So easily we can find out the y value. So as per the question, we know that they are positive numbers, they are positive fractions. Since it is positive fraction, we assign some values for y. So x and y are natural numbers. We have to put only positive number. X and y take the values 1 2 3 4 etc. So let us put some value for y to make a number divisible by 5. So okay, so try for different values of y. If y is equal to 1, we are not getting 31 minus 3. What is 31 minus 3? 28. 21, it is not divisible by 5. Let us try some values for y. Now put 2. We take only those values divisible by 5. So 31 minus 3 2s are what? When y is equal to 2, okay, we can put y2. Why? What's the reason? So that difference it will be divisible by 5. That is the reason. 5x is equal to 31 minus 3 into 2. 5x is equal to 31 minus 6. 5x is equal to 25. So what is x? X we are getting 25 by 5 is equal to 5. When y is equal to 2, we are getting x 5. Try all other possibilities. Now let us try some more possibilities there. There are some more values will satisfy for this equation. So let us put the next 3. 3 into 3 9. 9 means 31 minus 9. We know that. What is 31 minus 9? 22. 22 is not divisible by 5. Now let us put 4. 3 4s are 12. Even 31 minus 12. That is not divisible by 5. Now what is the next value come? Let us put y 7. When y is equal to 7, what happened? 3 7s are 21. Okay, let us put when y is equal to 7, there are some values after 2. We cannot substitute for y. Reason is that time difference is not divisible by 5. Now I directly go to 7 itself. So 5x is equal to 31 minus 3 7s are, what is 3 7s are? 21. So 5x is equal to 10. What is x? 10 by 5 is equal to 2. Okay, therefore we are getting two possible answers. When x is equal to 5, what is y? When your x is 5, we can put y 7. So we have two possible answers. X by 3 and y by 5 are the fractions. First case, when x is 5, that time y is what? That time y is 2. 2 by 5. We know that the sum of these two fractions will get this one. 31 by, we will get 31 by 15. 5 5 is 25. Okay. Now second case, or again one more solution is there. One more solution is there for x and y. When our x is 2, that time what is y? Y is equal to 7. This is another answer. Even this case also, when you add these two fractions, we will definitely get 31 by 15. 2 5s are 10, 7 3s are 21, total 31 by 15. So these are the two possible answers. That means we are getting two fractions whose denominators are 3 and 5, whose sum is 2 1 by 15. Is it clear? Okay. Move on to the next question. When a certain 2D number is divided by the number obtained by reversing the digits, the quotient is 2 and remainder is 7. If the number is divided by the sum of its digits, the quotient is 7 and the remainder is 6. Find the product of the digits of the original number. Okay, students, this is very important question. Finding the digits, question related to digits. So, what we have to do here, we have to find out a 2-digit number. So, according to the question, we know that how the 2-digit number will be formed. When 2-digit number is divided by the number obtained by reversing the digits. For example, a number 27. When it reverse the order, what happened? 27 reverse the order. So what happened? It become 72. That time the place value change. When it is 27, 7 is in 1's place, 2 is in 10's place. When it reverse order, 2 become 1's place, 7, 10's place. Like that, 2 number will be formed. So let us put, let 1's digit x, let's 1's digit x, 10's digit can be taken y. As we know the 10's place digit and 1's place digit, we can easily form the number. So original number can be formed. 10 in 10's place y. So 10 into y plus 1 into x. We are getting 10y plus x. That is our original number. Now we have to form the new number. How new number will be formed? New number can be formed by reversing the order, means that time 1's place did become y, 10's place did become x. So we are going to form the new number. 10 into x plus 1 into y, we are getting 10x plus y. So we already found the two numbers. Now according to the question, we have to form the two equations. How equation will be formed? The number is divided by the new number. Reversing the digits means this number divided by this number. We are getting quotient with 2 and the remainder is 7. So we know that dividend is equal. One property we learned studied in our class. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Use this property. So dividend can be taken. This is our dividend. Original number is the dividend. Okay. Divisor is a new number. That will be multiplied by, what is the quotient? The quotient is 2 and the remainder is 7. So 10y plus x is equal to, open the bracket, multiply by 2. So 20x plus 2y plus 7. So 10y plus x minus 20. Changing all the variable term left side. So x minus 20 is minus 19x plus 10y minus 2y 8y is equal to 7. This is our equation 1. Like that, from the second statement we can make the another equation. If the number is divided by the sum of its digits, same number, which is the number, this is the original number, same number is divided by the sum of its digits. What is sum of its digit? This is a sum of its digit. So that time this number is divided by x plus y. 10y plus x considered dividend, x plus y considered divisor. So again dividend is equal to divisor into, second case what is the quotient? Quotient is 7 we are given, remainder is given 6. So open the bracket. Okay, change the variable term to left side. All the variable term is we have taken left side. Still here like terms, x minus 7 is minus 6x plus 3y is equal to 6. X minus 7 is minus 6x, then y minus 7 3y. We cut by 3. Okay, so minus 2x plus y is equal to 2. This is our second equation. Now from equation 1 and 2 we can solve for x and y. Now let us write together equations. Minus 19x plus 8y is equal to 7. This is our first equation. So we apply elimination method. This is easy to eliminate. Why? So if you multiply this second equation by 8. Okay, let us multiply second equation by 8. So minus 2 into 8 what? Minus 16. 8 into y, 8y, 8 2s are 16. So we use these two equations to solve for x and y. As they have same sign, positive, positive, we cannot eliminate. So we take the additive inverse. Minus 16 become plus 16, plus 8 become minus 16 become minus 16. So minus 19 and plus 16 how much? Negative 3x. This is cut. 7 minus 6 what? Minus is equal to negative 9. So what is our x value? Minus 9 by minus 3 what? X we got 3. Now let us use the any of the equations. Let us use this equation. Okay. Let us use the equation 2 to find out y value. We get, okay. Substitute x equal to 3. Substitute x equal to 3 in equation 2. So minus 2 into 3 plus y is equal to 2. So minus 6 plus y2 means what is y value? Y value is equal to 8. We got both x and y value. So we want to find the product of the digits. What is the product of the digits? Product of the digits means x and y. Product of the digits means xy. Xy means x and y we have to multiply. What is the product of 8 and 3? What is the product of 8 and 3? Answer is 24. Clear? Okay, here is the 8th question. Read the question. The father's age is 6 times of his son's age. 4 years hence, the age of father will be 4 times of his son's age. Find their present ages. Okay, students, the question related to ages are very important for the board exam. Be very careful. Okay. Now let us look. The father's age is 6 times of his son's age. Okay, let us solve by using two variables. Father's age is 6 times son's age. So let us put son's age x. Let son's age considering x, let us assume. So father's age is 6 times son's age. No? So let us put the father's age can be taken y. First we have to take it like that. Son's age x of father's age y. So this is greater value. So father's age is 6 times son's age. Okay. Now from second statement we understand that 4 years hence. 4 years hence means after 4 years. After 4 years definitely they will be getting older. 4 years will be added. 4 years will be added by both the ages. So again after 4 years means father become y plus 4, son's age become x plus 4. 4 years older, they getting older. So y plus 4 is equal to age of father 4 times son's age. After 4 years, 4 times, after 4 years his age become x plus 4. After 4 years, the age of father will be 4 times of his son's age. So y plus 4 equal to 4x plus 16. So y can be substituted by 6x. Okay, y will be substituted by 6x. So 6x minus, so y will be substituted by 6x. 6x, this is what, 16, 4x plus 16. So 6x minus 4x equal to 16 minus 4. Therefore 2x is equal to 12. X is equal to what? 12 by 2. X is equal to 12 by 2, 6. Whose age is taken x? So son's age we have taken x years. So son is 6 years old. Father's age, we have father's age y. Y actually 6x. So 6 into 6, father is 36 years old. Clear now? Okay, this is our 9th question. Students of a class are made to stand in rows. If 4 students are extra in a row, there will be 2 rows less. If 4 students are less in a row, there will be 4 more rows. Find the number of students in the class. Okay, according to the situation, we can make the equation. How make the equation? How will you form the equation? Here 2 cases are here to be taken x and y. We know that. We don't know how many, what we are supposed to find out number of students in the class. Number of students in the class means here we are represented by rows and we don't know how many rows are there, number of students in each row. So easily we can find out the total number of students. Suppose there are 5 students in a row. In a row 5 students are there. So let us take 7 rows are there. Like that 7 rows are there. So we can easily find out total number of students. There are 5 students in a row. We have 7 rows. So easily we can find out total number of students. 5 and 7, 35. If there are 3 rows, if there are 3 students in a row, there are 5 rows that we can multiply by 3 and 5, 50. Like that we have to take, let number of rows can be let us take number of rows x. Okay, number of students in each row, number of students in each row, we can take y. So easily we know that we can find a total number of students. What is the total number of students? Total students, just we multiply this x and y, xy. Okay, this is the total number of students. Now let us see the given statement. 4 students are extra in a row. We have taken we take another another situation. We have to change another situation. Beginning we take how many students are there in a row? Number of students in each row y we have taken. So 4 students extra means we have to add y by 4. That time what will happen? There will be 2 rows less. Initially we have x rows. So when 4 students added, when 4 more students added, that time the rows, number of rows become decrease. Okay, so we are taking 4 students extra in a row means y plus 4. That time 2 rows become less. So x minus 2 into y plus 4. That time what is the total students? Total, there is no change in the total. So opening the bracket, xy plus 4x minus 2y minus 80 equal to xy. So xy is cancelled. So 4x minus 2y is equal to what? 8. We can simplify by 2, cut by 2. So 4 by 2 what? 2. 2 by 2, 1. 8 by 2, 4. This is our first equation. Now you take another situation. Think another situation. 4 students are less in a row. Actually, how many students are in first in each row? How much? 5 students are there. 4 students are less in a row means what happened? We have to minus 4 here. Okay, 4 students are less in a row means actually at beginning we have number of rows x and each row y students. Now we think another situation. 4 students are less means y minus 4. That time 4 more rows x plus 4. X plus 4 into 4 more rows are there. 4 students are less in a row means 4 students are less in a row. That means we have minus. Okay, y minus 4 is equal to product what? What is the product will come? Product means total students. The total students how many are there? Xy. Again, opening the bracket. 4y minus 16 equal to xy. Xy cancel. Minus 4x plus 4y equal to 16. Simplify. We have to cancel by 4. Okay, minus x plus y is equal to 4 by 4 1. 4 by 4 1. Okay, this is the equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, we use equation 1 and 2. We are solving for x and y. Okay, together we write this. Both the equations we write together. They have different sign. We can eliminate easily. Minus x plus 2 what? Minus 1 plus 2 1. 1x equal to 8. So we understand that x8. x8 means number of rows. Number of rows, x rows are there. Okay. The number of students in each row we can find out. Use this equation 2. Put x equal to 8 in equation 1. So 2 into 8 minus y is equal to 4. 16 minus y equal to 4. Minus y equal to 4 minus 16 what? Negative 12. Why we are getting 12. So we understand that there are how many rows? 8 rows are there. In each row how many students are sitting? How many students are there? 12 students. Then what is the total students? We are asked to find the total number of students. Total number of students definitely xy. Xy means x and y we should multiply. Product of 8 and 12 how much? 8 12 are 96. There are 96 students in the class. Okay, this is the last question from this topic. Look at this. Find the values of a and b for which the following pair of linear equation has infinitely many solutions. We know for infinitely many solutions we have the conditions. What is the condition? a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. You know that this pair of equation has a infinitely many solution. Okay, dependent and a consistent pair of linear equation. This is the conditions to be applied. So 2 by a1 2, we have a2 a plus b, b1 3, b2 2a minus b. Okay, c1 7, c2 21. So let us use first two. 2 by a plus b equal to 3 by 2a minus b. So we form the equation by cross multiplying. 2 into 2a minus b, 3 into a plus b. 4a minus 2b equal to 3a plus 3b. Now let us simplify. 4a minus 2b minus 3a minus 3b equal to 0. So 4a minus, what is 4a minus 3a? A minus 2b minus 3b minus 5b is equal to 0. This is equation 1. Now same like that. Now use these two. 3 by 2a minus b is equal to 7 by 21. Let us simplify this. Okay, so cross multiply time. 1 into 2a minus b is equal to 9. So we are getting 2a minus b is equal to 9. This is our equation. This is our equation 2. Now from 1 and 2, okay, this is the first equation. Let us write, I will write here a minus 5b is equal to 0. So we are trying to eliminate b means, or okay, we suppose let us eliminate b. So this coefficient must be common. So for second equation only I am multiplying by 5. 10a minus 5b is equal to 2 5s are 10, 9 5s are 45. So let us use these two to eliminate. As they have same sign, we cannot cut. As they have same sign, minus minus, no, so we cannot cut. So we take the additive inverse, minus plus minus. So 1 minus 10 what? Negative 9a. This is cut, equal to negative 45. A is equal to negative 45 by negative 9. We got a is equal to 5. We got a value 5. Let us put what is the, let us see what is the b value. We use the put a is equal to 5 in equation 1. So a minus 5b equal to 0. 5 minus 5b equal to 0. So constant, this 5 will be taken right side, become minus. So b value minus 5 by minus 5 1. So we got our a value 5 and b value is equal to 1. Okay students, remember this is very important questions. We have now come to the end of the lesson. So hope you will practice thoroughly and understand the concept clearly. Thank you.